A very good morning, childrens. Hope you all of you fit and healthy at your home and you watched my previous video from this chapter. I hope all of you watch it because this chapter is very important and this chapter is factual based chapter. All in this chapter there are too much informations. So beta watch it this video very carefully and you have to read this chapter at least minimum 2 times. This is my advice for you. When you are reading now this chapter 2 3 4 times, I think all of you learn all things. Okay, and then start now today's classes. So this is your SST class beta. This is your SST class. And what is the date is today? The date is today's 13th Feb 2021 and the chapter is going on. Chapter 27, our national symbols. Our national symbols. This is your chapter. Okay, in previous class all of you read about the national flag, national symbols. Okay, but in this chapter all of you read deeply what is our national flag, why we need it. These things all of you read about neatly. You have to learn many things from this chapter. Okay, when our India is become independent, then our countries choose some symbols for our country for representing in the world. And our country have how many symbols? Tell me students, how many symbols? Three symbols. Three symbols. Three symbols I told you also. The first is national flag. The national flag. National flag. Then second is national anthem. National anthem. Tell me anyone who wrote it. Our national anthem. In previous class I told you. The next is the national emblem. National emblem. These are called our national. These three symbols are called our national symbols. Here I am also right now national symbols. Okay. National symbols. The national flag. Look at here in your book. This is the picture of our country's national flag. In this national flag, this is our national flag. It is a tricolor, and in this national flag there is three bands and three different colors band, and their meanings is also different colors. I told you all things. Then move to the next is the national anthem. Our national anthem is Jan Gan Man. And who wrote it? The great poet Rabindranath Tagore ji. He wrote our national anthem. And tell me the lady name who stitched our first national flag. Tell me anyone. The Bikaji Kama. She was Persian lady and she stitched first time our national flag. These all things I told you. If you are not watched my previous class video, so beta, this is my request. You watch it. And today's topic is, this is also done, this is also done. Today's topic is the national emblem. This is the remaining part from this chapter. Okay, the national emblems. Look at here. Look at here, beta. The national emblem. Our national emblem was first adopted by our Indian government on 26th January. On 26th January 26th January 1950. On this day we are republic. Okay, and on this day our constitution are also adopted, and on this day our Indian government adopted our national emblems on 26th January 1950. And this is the picture of the national our national emblem. Look at here, everyone. This is the picture of our national emblems. Okay, this national emblem, it is consist of 4 lines. Look at here, 1 2 3 and 1/4 is back side. 4 lines standing back to back. Only 3 lines are visible when as fourth is hidden from view. In one time only we are seeing only 3 lines. Okay, this emblem was taken from the upper part of Ashoka pillar at Sarnath. And where it Sarnath? Sarnath is in your city Varanasi. Below the loin there is a wheel. Look at here in the bottom. Look at here. This is a wheel. This is a wheel or charkha. This charkha is one that we see our national flag. This is also, or it means to progress. What is the meaning of it? It's a progress. And it's one side there is a bull to right side of the charkha, and the left side here is the left of the charkha. Look at here, beta. Right of the charkha is a bull and the left of the charkha is a horse. Look at here, beta. Pay attention. This Ashoka pillar. This is a charkha. This charkha is the symbol of progress. Okay. And this charkha is one that we see in our national flag also. Okay. And there is a bull of the right side. Right side. It means this charkha. Right side there is a bull of the charkha, and the left side, its left side here is a horse. Okay, and what is the meaning of these things? The loin means, the loin is a symbol of strength. The loin is a symbol of strength, and the wool is a symbol of hard working. Okay, and the horse, what is the meaning of horse? Why we are taking here horse? Why we are not taking any animal? Because horse is a symbol of energy, speed and loyalty. Okay, these things are clear now. I hope all of you understand now our national emblems. And at the bottom, look at here, at the bottom here, at the bottom are written the words Satyameva Jayate. And it is written in which script? It is Devanagari script. Script means lipi. Language. Okay. Satyameva Jayate, it is written in Devanagari script, and it is taken, where it is taken? It is taken from the Mundaka Upanishad, which means, it means truth alone triumphs. It means Satyameva Jayate. It is taken from Mundaka Upanishad, and it means truth alone triumphs. Okay, these all things are clear now about our national emblem. I hope all things are clear now. This national emblem, we can see our currency note. our currency notes, all of you see now, yes or no? Coins, stamps, postage, on the government documents, all things we can see this national symbol. And I'm told you all things, what is the meaning of here lion, what is the meaning of bull, what is the meaning of horse, this chakra, and satyamev jayate, each and every word I told you beta. So be attentive. Beside these national symbols, the majesty tiger is our, tell me the national animal of our country. This is tiger. Look at here in your book. Tiger is a national animal of our country. The national bird is peacock. The national flower is lotus. These all things all of you read about in your previous class. I know it very well. So I think there is no need to about this. These information you know it very well. But pay attention on this word, our national symbol, this thing. Okay. Then our national symbols bring us closer and give us to feeling to oneness. It is our duty to respect our national symbols and preserve them with the greatest care. We should always respectful for our country, okay, for our national symbols and our national song. Our national song. Tell me our national song. Our national song is, anyone tell me beta? The our national song is Vande Mataram. Vande, our national song is Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram, Sujalam Sufalam Malesh Sitalam. This is our national song, and this song is written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. The song is written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Okay, beta. So all of you know these things. These information all factual things. So all of you read. That's why I tell you and I request you all of you read this chapter 2, 3, 4 times. Okay. I hope all things are clear now. And there is one confusion, beta. Look at here, everyone. Our national song is Vande Mataram and our national anthem is Jan Gan Man. And who wrote Jan Gan Man? The great poet Rabindranath Tagore. And Vande Mataram, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. So underline these lines in your book. And who stitches our national flag first time? What is the ratio of their length and breadth? These all information all of you read very carefully and underline these things in your book. Okay, these things are very important for point of view for your exam. So your chapter is completed now. This chapter. Okay, then let's start the book exercise from this chapter. So beta, open your book. The book exercise. Open now your book. Book exercise. Book exercise. Page number 169. I hope all of you open now your book. First is true false. First question is, according to your book, true false. All answer all of you give now. First is, write T for true, F for false. First question is, the Ashoka Chakra has dash 34 spokes, 20 spokes, 24 spokes. Tell me, it is very easy na? The Ashoka Chakra has 24 spokes. Your C option will here correct. Answer 1 C. 24 spokes. And here you took now tick. Then move to the question number 2. Our national flag has A 3 colors, 2 colors, C 5 colors. Our national flag has 3 color bands. Now it's a second A option will here correct. 3 colors. 3 colors. Tell me the color's name. First band is of saffron color. Second band is white color, and third band is green color. And second color is middle of the center. There is a one wheel. Yes, you know. Good. Then move to the next question. This is third question. Our national emblem was adopted on, just I told you, on 26th January 1950. On that day, we are Republic. Okay. And our constitution is also adopted on that day. Then third is our national emblem was adopted on, A option will here correct, 26th January 26th January, which year? 1950. Put here, tick the correct. Then move to the question number B. Question number B is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First question is first is there are dash spokes in charkha in national flag. How many spokes? 24. Everyone right now? 24 spokes in charkha in national flags. Question number 2 is the word Satyameva Jayate means. What is the meaning of this word? It means truth alone triumphs. Truth alone triumphs. Right now everyone? Truth alone triumphs. Okay, then question number 2 is done. Then third is our national emblem has been taken from the dash pillar of Ashoka. Third is where it is situated. Then third is Sarnath. Sarnath pillar of Ashoka. Okay. Question number 3. There is some printing mistake. Our national emblem was taken from the Ashoka pillar at Sarnath. This word is right. Okay, so everyone do the correction here. Our national emblem has been taken from the Ashoka pillar. Correction this word. Ashoka pillar. Okay. Ashoka pillar of Sarnath. This is right option. Okay. In third sentence, our national emblem was taken from the, look at here, from the Ashoka pillar of, you cut now here Ashoka, here is Sarnath. Okay, so I am right now, whole word is. So everyone, do the correction in your book. There is some printing mistake. Okay, our national emblem has been taken from the Ashoka pillar of Sarnath. This is right word. Then move to the number 4 is the saffron color in our flag stand for. Tell me, courage and sacrifice. Courage, and sacrifice. Courage and sacrifice. Tell me, courage and sacrifice. Courage, 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 and sacri first word, and second is sacrifice. Sacrifice. The next is number 5 is the green color in our flag stand for life and prosperity. Right now everyone, the green color means the green color stand for number 5 is life. First is life, then second word is prosperity. Prosperity. This fill in the blanks is done now. Then next question is name the following. I am rub the question number 1. This is last question, I think. Question number C. Question number C. Name the following. This is last question. Question number 1. Our national bird. This is very easy. All of you right now. Peacock. Question number 2. Our national animal. I don't know, beta. Tell me anyone. It is a tiger. Tiger is our national animal. The next question number 3. Our national flower. Our national flower is lotus. Okay. Number 4 is the poet who wrote our national anthem. Tell me. Rabindranath Tagore. This word is A. Nath Tagore. One question is mentioned now in your book also, beta. The poet who wrote our national song. That was Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Number 5 is you also mention now this question. The poet. This is extra question. The poet who wrote our national song. You all of you right now this answer. It's the answer is all of you right now. The answer is Bankim Chandra. Both are Bengalis. Chatterjee. Okay. This is extra question. Number 5 is. After that, the next part is this type all of you right now in your book. The extra question. Look at here. Here I mentioned now in my book. Number 5. Because this is important, beta. That's why I'm mentioning now here. The poet who wrote our national song, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. All of you write now this thing. Then after that, question number D. Answer the following questions. This we will do the next class. Then next is activity. This activity. First is find out the name of the state in which the Ashoka pillar of Sarnath is located. Okay. Ashoka pillar of Sarnath is located in state Uttar Pradesh and district Varanasi, and it is your city. All of you right now this type of state Uttar Pradesh, district Varanasi, and city is also Varanasi. Okay, beta. Then next is F, G, H. F and G. This is cut now. Then H. Draw the picture of the national animal, national bird and national flower of India in your notebook. Any two all of you draw now in your copy. This is your homework. And next is join the dots and color the national flag. All of you complete this national flag with colors. This is your homework. Okay beta, this chapter is completed now, and according to your syllabus your annual exam is also completed. So beta, be careful for your studies. Only question answer are remaining from this chapter, so that thing we do in next class. Okay, in one class I have need for completing your syllabus. So beta, be careful for your studies, keep learning, then you will get good marks. Till then, have a nice day beta.